Geonode, my honest review and user experience best web scraping and proxy service. When it comes to data collection and web scraping, having a reliable proxy network is key. That's what led me to try Geonode, a platform that claims to offer fast, secure and scalable proxy services for both businesses and individuals. Here's my honest review. After testing it for several weeks, most people think proxy tools are complicated or reserved for developers, but the surprising truth is that Geonode makes it accessible even for beginners. Their dashboard is clean and intuitive, letting you generate proxy lists and configure connections without needing deep technical knowledge. I tested their residential and data center proxies for scraping public data from retail websites. The connection speeds were impressive, around 90% success rates with minimal bans. The IP pool is massive, covering over 150 countries, which is great for location-based tasks. Security-wise, Geonode uses rotating IPs, which automatically switch to new addresses to avoid detection. This is perfect for tasks that require multiple requests, like price tracking or SEO research. Pricing is flexible. You can pay by bandwidth or by the number of IPs. It's more affordable than some competitors like Bright Data, but still on the premium side compared to smaller proxy providers. The only drawback I noticed was occasional slowdowns during peak traffic hours, though support was responsive and quick to resolve issues. In short, Geonode delivers on its promise. It's fast, secure, and easy to use, ideal for marketers, researchers, and developers who need reliable data extraction without the headaches. If you're looking for a powerful proxy and web scraping solution, Geonode is definitely worth a try.